Hello, everybody. It's me. I'm here with this video talking about is email marketing dead? And many people, say that it's dead. There's no that now you see the big thing is Shopify or having a social media agency, and but no, I personally do email marketing. I think that's one of the best ways you can do in email and you can do when it comes to internet marketing, and the reason is because you get to have targeted traffic to the offer. Now email marketing, in my opinion, it's it is worth it, but at the same time it depends on what you're doing. So, if you want to do affiliate marketing, the thing that many people get wrong is the fact that they believe they're gonna go into like on a marketplace, get an offer and sound like make an ad and start making money, and that's just not the case because the people who make money with um, affiliate marketing, um, they get they have a big list. Well, like they build an audience, right? They build the audience first, and then they monetize, and then after that, um, then they'll basically promote. And that's really what most people get wrong with affiliate marketing. So yeah, you should always start building your list regardless. But see, when it comes to make money online, what you need to do is you have to have these four things. They're very vital to internet marketing, or what I have seen, what I experienced. And one is traffic. Traffic is one of those um, things that are very important because, like, you can have a website, you can have and be a good, be a good website, like be a nice website, you say, and not have a buyer, not have nobody's or nobody seeing that website. And the thing is that you have to understand um that traffic is the most important thing. And sometimes you may see a lot of these courses, they the thing is that they focus like on how to build a website or how to build a funnel, and then the traffic may be like a the last module or like a bonus module, a bonus tutorial, I should say. And it really, and that's the thing that you see a lot of people struggling, by traffic, and you know, and so and like I said, there's so traffic is the most important thing. Um, and you always should find research the niche you want to get into, whether it is so and see if it's profitable online. Um, the second thing is what you need to do to is um, list building. List building is very important. Like I was saying, it's not. I don't think email marketing is not that. Is just the fact that you need to know um, how you can make money off that. And so list building is very important. You build a list, you build an audience, and you'll be able to send them offers and all that stuff and help them out. And with that you make money. So list building is the second thing you need to understand. Um, And then the third thing is conversion. I mean, once you get the traffic, you have to know how to convert that traffic, uh, you know, sales and all that stuff. So that's really important. And then the fourth thing is scaling it up. So Because the first three things that I said, it's they're very important, but scaling is what's gonna make you the difference between making a couple, $100 here and there compared to really making, consistent money, thousand or plus, a day or so that's how you're gonna have a scalable business online. And so that's one thing that I don't see a lot of people talking about. And so yeah, I hope this helps. Um, the four pointers that you need to understand about internet marketing. If you and I'll see you next time.